Hi, this is Cindy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the false scroll data entry form. So the first thing we have to do is find the form. And from my other videos, you should know that I put all the forms for Turtle Patrol in that folder on the little girl's hat on her visor. So I'm going to touch the folder to open it up. And I see there are 3 different apps there, and I'm going to touch the one that says false crawl to open it up. So I open it up to the false crawl, and this is where it takes me and actually opens this up in my Safari browser on my iPhone. So I'm going to scroll down. All the information here is the same information that you have on your false crawl uh, cards that you have in the truck. So the first thing I need to do is put the reference number or the mile marker number. In this case, it's going to be 35.8. And I'm going to push done so I get that out of here. And again, for the date, it has to be 2 digits for the month and 2 digits for the day. So I'll enter the month first, and it's going to be May, so '05, and the day next, and it says invalid date because I didn't finish entering that yet. So I'm going to enter, it's going to be March 12th. Okay, so now I go down to the latitude. For the latitude, it's going to be 32.123123. For the longitude, it's minus 80.123123. And everybody knows how to get the longitude and the latitude from the app or from a tool to get that. The next thing I need to do is select the zone, and that would be in zone 8. And now I'm going down, I scroll down, and it's asking for the location. Describe the original location of the false crawl, possible nest area. For example, in front of the sanctuary, location information to help match up wild. This location information will help match up wild nests in the future. Use other to write in the extra information. So I'm going to say I can select as many of these as applicable. So I'm going to say that this was behind the dune. It was in the thick vegetation, and it also was near Beachwalker Park. Actually, this false crawl was near Beachwalker Park, close to the end of lifeguard zone sign. So I'm going to add that there. I'm done. The name of the data recorder, that's me. So I'll put my name in here. And then if there are any questions, someone can call and ask me about it. It was definitely a loggerhead. The driver was Helen Farr, and possible interference with the crawl. One thing I noticed about this crawl was that the crawl was it was a loopy crawl. There were some human footprints near the crawl, and weren't any coyote tracks, but it did change in direction a little bit. So I'm going to select all those things. Comments, it was kind of a meandering crawl, and it's partly because it got stuck behind the dune in that thick vegetation. Any additional comments? We didn't observe any body pit. That's all I'm going to say, and I'm done. So I'm going to touch the submit button so that all this information will be sent to the spreadsheet. So I'm touching the submit button, and now all the information's in the spreadsheet, and I can submit another response right here if we get another false crawl. So all I'll have to do is go into my browser to submit another response. Also, just let's say we do have a false crawl. Remember, drivers, you can share this document by selecting the share icon, the square with the arrow at the bottom of the page, and texting it to whomever you are asking to fill out the form that's with you in the truck. I'll send that as a text, and now Bill Perry can fill out the next form. If you have any questions, call, text, or email me. Good luck with recording your data.